Sanitization button. In today's scenario, sanitization has become a big problem in the whole world due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So I, Divsargun, Kaur of class 9, studying in Springdale Senior School, Amritsar, have come up with an idea of making a sanitization button that can be useful in checking the sanitization level. This is how sanitization is being done right now in offices. Many cumbersome procedures are required to review the sanitization level, but we have got an idea that would simplify this process. Why sanitization is important? Sanitizing has always been important, but during the current pandemic, it is more important than ever. We are living through a health crisis that most of us have never seen before. COVID-19 coronavirus has almost paralyzed the country and threatens the health of people throughout the world. Businesses have been shut down, and healthcare workers are facing an unprecedented shortage of needed supplies while dealing with the overwhelming number of COVID-19 patients. What's the difference between cleaning and sanitization? Cleaning. Cleaning is the first step to remove the dirt and dust from a certain surface top, whereas sanitization is the next step that aims at deeper cleaning. Cleaning aims at removing the dirt particles, but sanitization it aims at killing the bacteria and inhibits the further growth of it. So these are some of the problems that will occur without the sanitization button. There is an urgent need to open offices and start with businesses, as we know. Although the offices are open, but they're not open to that extent, uh, through at that which extent the offices were open earlier before the COVID-19 pandemic. So also if they don't get open soon, the entire country would face economic crisis. India would face shortage of each and everything. Each one of us would become a liability on the country, and this would ultimately lead to the underdevelopment of the country. How the sanitization button can solve this problem? So this problem can be solved by the sanitization button, as when it will be placed on some tables in offices, then it will help us to know if the table is sanitized or not. It would detect alcohol in alcohol based sanitizers. When the button would be red in color, that means the table is not sanitized. If it would be in green in color, that means the table is sanitized and is safe for us to use. Here it's a graphic, an imagination that how can we prepare a button, and that button can be placed on the table, that will signify that the table is not sanitized. Similarly, we have a green button on the table, which will mean the table is sanitized. It's working. Here in the above two pictures we can see a button. So this button would work on IoT, Internet of Things. The data can be stored in database data storage. So basically there are two main softwares that works with this IoT. Number one is Power BI, that is sponsored by Microsoft, and the another one is Tableau. Data can be sent to software. This can be put up on dashboard on the main screen in the head office. The button would be in red color. But after it is sanitized, it would be in green color. If the difference between the desks is less than 6 feet, then also it would remain in red color. This can be used in offices where there is a need to reopen them. Also, the companies would receive a certificate that would allow them to reopen their offices. Thank you so much everyone for watching this. Bye.